So we call this permutations with identical objects. So like here, normally Pee-wee would be 6 factorial, but because of the 4 e's, and if you label them E, E2, E3, E4, there would be 4 factorial ways that they could be arranged. We have to divide if there's identical objects. So we have to find out, how do you recognize a question as an identical objects question, as a Mississippi question? Here's our first one that we're going to do. There are 7 boxes of cereal on a shelf. 5 of them are bran cereal. Question is, why do you keep buying, like, bran cereal tastes terrible, right? This is why you have 5 boxes. You keep buying it, and nobody eats it. Okay, but there's 5 boxes of bran cereal. 1 box is puff wheat, the other box is granola. And you're, like, sitting in your pantry and decide, I want to rearrange the cereal boxes. How many ways could I do this? Well, because there's 5 boxes of the same thing, we have an identical objects question. We could represent this by saying the bran is B, 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 puff wheat with P, granola with G, and this is like rearranging the letters of Mississippi, except this time the word that we have is b-b-b-b. So if someone asked, how many ways can you rearrange the letters of b-b-b? You would have to count them, which there would normally be 7 factorial, but because we have identical objects of 5 b's, we would divide by 5 factorial to take out those repetitions that we counted too much. This, you can do mental math. What is the answer? 42. Remember, when you're doing the mental math with factorials, it's easiest to expand the bigger one until you get to the one on the bottom. You're like, hey, wait a minute. You can cancel those out. If you really like canceling things out, you could keep going and go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the bottom you can make 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then cancel out a whole bunch of things. But you could just say it would keep going and cancel it out there, and then 7 times 6 is 42. Okay. Question for practice. 3, 4,